Helpful tips, video number 1, completing the preparatory assignment. In this video, I will show you how to create a MAT 131 folder on the cloud OneDrive. I will explain how to complete the preparatory assignment using the paper and pencil method. This is where you print out a Word document, you handwrite in the answers from the videos, and then you scan these printed pages into a PDF document to be uploaded to Blackboard. I will also explain how to complete the assignment using the digital method. This is where you type in the answers directly into a PDF document and at various times use the highlight feature and then save the PDF document to be uploaded to Blackboard. Either way, you will create a PDF document that will be uploaded to Blackboard so it can be graded. Let's begin with creating a folder on OneDrive. To access OneDrive, you first have to log into Blackboard and then into your Surge Mail. Once logged in, you will look in the upper left-hand side for this square with 9 dots. Clicking on this square will give you the list of all the available Microsoft apps, including Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Excel, and OneDrive. Click on OneDrive. Now you may have to log into OneDrive, and you will do this using the same login information as Blackboard. And also, once you log into OneDrive for the first time, you may not have any folders, and that's okay. To create a new folder, click New, then Folder. Type in the name of the folder, MAT 131. Hit Create. And now you have a folder in the cloud where you can store all of your documents electronically for free. Completing the preparatory assignment. Each week there is a preparatory assignment. To access the preparatory assignment, go to Weekly Folders. The first assignment is in Week 1. Click Week 1. Scroll to where you see the preparatory assignment. Here is a list of directions on how to complete the assignment, and again, there's 2 methods. There's the paper and pencil method and there's the digital method. It doesn't matter which method you use, just use the one that works best for you. To use the paper and pencil method, you will first download the document that's labeled print. To download the file, right click and choose Save As, or in this case the browser is calling it Save Link As, and then select OneDrive and then the folder we just created, MAT 131. Hit Save, and now it's saved in OneDrive. Now go to OneDrive and print out the document. So go to your folder, open the Word document, and now you can print out the preparatory assignment to complete it. Once you have printed the assignment, go to Instructional Content and then go to the textbook sections where the videos are housed. We'll begin with section 1.1. These are the videos that are required to complete the assignment. If you need to see additional videos, these are optional. Let's take a view at the content videos. As you can see, the videos are embedded in Blackboard, so you can watch them directly from Blackboard. Start the video, you click the play button, and the video will play. If you need to pause, of course you can hit the pause button, especially when you're filling out the preparatory assignment and you need more time to write in the answers. You can also click on the closed captioning to see the words also. You can also click on the full screen to make the window bigger. And if you need the transcript or even the PowerPoint that was used in the video, you have access to them here. If you would like to watch the video on YouTube, you can click this link. And in Blackboard, there is a way that you can indicate to yourself that you have reviewed this video by clicking Mark Reviewed. Once you click it, you can see that this has been denoted reviewed. So if you're very busy and you're not sure where you left off, you can click on reviewed and now you know where you've left off. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but this is a way to indicate what videos you have viewed and what videos you have not. So the process of the preparatory assignments and the videos are to engage the three learning styles. Visual learners were looking at the video, auditory were listening to what was said in the video, and then kinesthetic, you are writing in the preparatory assignment, just like you would in a face-to-face class, taking notes. Engaging all three learning styles will help you remember the course content. Once you've finished all the videos in a section, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go ahead and rewatch the videos as you look over your completed preparatory assignment. Let's look at the second way of completing the preparatory assignments, the digital method. Completing the preparatory assignment using the digital method is similar to the paper and pencil, but you first need to make sure that you have the Adobe Reader. This is a free app. You may already have it on your computer, but if not, go to Weekly Folders, Week 0, Getting Started, and then Completing the Preparatory Assignment. Here is a link to the Adobe Reader. Click the hyperlink and you can download the reader for free. Now sometimes they may offer free add-ons. You don't need them, and I would advise you to uncheck them if it's offered. Once you have the reader installed, go back to week 1, then to the preparatory assignment, and this time we're going to download the preparatory assignment that's labeled type. So to download it, you right click and then click Save Link As, or it may be Save As. I'm going to save this on OneDrive. You can save it to whatever folder you like, but OneDrive is what I'm going to do in this video. Then I'm going to go to my MAT 131 folder and then click Save. Now when I go back to the folder and open it, I will have all of the features on the Reader app. If you do not download the file and just view it inside the browser, you will not have the highlight feature. So it's best to download the file and then open it using the Reader. Double click on it to open it, and we have the Adobe opened up, and then in each box is where you type, and when you get to a section that you need to highlight, you can do that by simply selecting the text and then clicking on the highlight icon, and it is highlighted. If you want to take it off, you can hit the trash, but that's how you highlight in the Reader. And it's a good idea to save your work as you're working, and when you're finished working for that day, you can just click the save file and then come back to it when you have time to work on it some more. Once you're finished with the assignment, it's time to upload it to Blackboard. Uploading the preparatory assignment. When you are ready to upload the assignment to Blackboard, click on the Preparatory Assignment Week 1 link, then scroll to Submission, Upload Files. If you saved your assignment on your computer, click Browse Local Files. If you saved it like I did on OneDrive, click Browse Cloud Service. Select OneDrive, find your 131 folder, then select the file. Click Import, and then we see it's an attached file. Then finally click Submit. And that's it. You are done. Thanks for watching.